In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Milanote desktop app seamlessly onto your computer. Whether you're an avid Milanote user or just getting started, having the app installed on your desktop can significantly enhance your workflow and provide quicker access to your boards, notes, and ideas. So let's dive right in and take a look at how you can get this set up swiftly and efficiently. To begin, you'll want to open Milanote in your preferred web browser. Simply navigate to app.milanote.com. Now, it's important to note that Milanote works best with certain browsers. For a smooth installation process, you'll be using a supported browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Brave. These browsers are not only reliable, but also ensure a seamless installation experience. If you're not already using one of these browsers, I recommend switching to one before we proceed any further. Once you're on the Milanote website, the installation process for the app is fairly straightforward. Let's start with Google Chrome or Brave. If you're using either of these browsers, look at the address bar at the very top of your screen. You should see an icon that resembles a computer monitor with a downward arrow on it. This is the install icon, and clicking on it is your next step. So go ahead and click that icon, and you'll see a prompt pop up on your screen. This prompt is essentially asking you to confirm the installation. A simple click of OK or Install is all that's needed here to continue. You'll notice Milanote opens up in a new separate window. This indicates the app is now installed and ready to use on your desktop. Not only does this provide you with easy access, but it also aligns with how you might work with dedicated apps for other tools you use daily, improving your multitasking ability. Look down at your taskbar, or dock if you're using a Mac, and you'll see the Milanote icon has appeared. This icon is your gateway to quickly accessing your Milanote workspace in the future. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you now have Milanote installed on your desktop. This setup makes accessing your notes and boards faster and more intuitive. Having Milanote as a standalone app enables you to keep your creative process organized and readily available without the need to constantly search through browser tabs. Whether you're mapping out a project, brainstorming ideas, or simply jotting down notes, having Milanote at your fingertips will no doubt enhance your productivity. Thank you for joining me today as we navigated through installing the Milanote desktop app. I hope this tutorial was helpful and easy to follow. Now get ready to elevate your creative workflow. Until next time, happy organizing with Milanote.